Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made my crowd pleasing shrimp fried rice. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let's cook. So guys, here we have all of our ingredients for our shrimp fried rice. Here I have some 3-day-old long grain rice, and here we have our shrimp, guys. I'm gonna be using the cooked shrimp because the size that I wanted for the raw ones, I didn't have them. They only had them cooked. So I'm just going to be using cooked shrimp. If you guys decided to use a raw ones, just go ahead and saute those for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they are translucent. And guys, here I have my Asian blend. So in there we have broccoli, edamame, black beans, red bell peppers, pearl barley. And here we have our onions. I have 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce here. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Here we have our green onions, 3 large eggs, fish oil, and this is 1 teaspoon of fish oil. I have some chopped garlic, and this is 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. And here we have our oyster sauce. Yeah. So guys, I'm just adding oil to the skillet. Now I'm gonna allow this to heat, then start frying my eggs. I'm just gonna remove my eggs. More oil. Then start searing off my shrimp. Guys, because our shrimps are already cooked, I'm gonna be searing these for about 30 to 45 seconds because I don't want it to overcook and get rubbery and tough. Like, it's just no good, yeah? So about 30 to 45 seconds is perfect. My onions. Then I'm gonna add the garlic. And my vegetables. Add my rice. I'm gonna add my hoisin. Like soy sauce. Guys, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. Egg. And my shrimp. My green onions. Now I just wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling, guys. I wish you could smell this. Oh my goodness. Smells so good. And guys, we're practically finished. We're actually finished. We're done here. And we're done here, guys. And here you have it, guys. Our crowd pleasing shrimp fried rice is ready to be devoured. Oh my goodness. This was so simple to prepare, guys. Like really easy. This was super delicious. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you do. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this video. And I love you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.